Pressing the power button on your Acer Nitro 5 only to see nothing happen can become really annoying, especially when you need the laptop for gaming, work, or everyday use. Many users notice no lights appearing, the keyboard staying dark, or the laptop briefly responding and shutting off again. Sometimes the charger seems connected properly, yet the Acer Nitro 5 still refuses to power on. In many situations, an Acer Nitro 5 not turning on issue can happen because of charging interruptions, battery communication problems, temporary power glitches, or hardware connection issues. Before pressing the power button repeatedly or assuming the laptop stopped working completely, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the Acer Nitro 5 turning on properly. 1. Connect the Acer Nitro 5 charger securely and confirm the charging indicator responds normally. 2. Press and hold the power button for several seconds to help clear temporary power interruptions. 3. Disconnect external accessories like USB devices or gaming equipment before trying to turn on the Acer Nitro 5 again. 4. Leave the laptop connected to power for a short time if the battery may be completely drained. 5. Press the power button once more and confirm whether the Acer Nitro 5 starts normally